In the heart of Indonesia, nestled within the archipelago, lies a sleeping giant. This giant, known as Mount Tambora, holds a place of infamy in the annals of history. A behemoth of nature, once standing tall and majestic, it now lies dormant, a shadow of its former self. But why, one might ask, does this volcano hold such a significant place in the history books? The answer lies in the year 1815, a year known as the Year Without a Summer. Mount Tambora, part of the Sunda Arc, a chain of volcanic islands, had been silent for centuries, an ominous calm before the storm. The first signs of impending doom showed themselves in 1814. For weeks the locals heard rumbling noises, the earth beneath them trembling, yet nothing could prepare them for what was to come. On the 10th of April 1815, the silence was shattered. Mount Tambora erupted with a force so powerful it altered the world's climate. The eruption was a cataclysm of such magnitude that it dwarfed any others in recorded history. Pyroclastic flows, a lethal mix of gas, ash, and rock, raced down the mountain, obliterating everything in their path. The days that followed were a testament to the raw, destructive power of nature. The ash cloud from the eruption blotted out the sun, plunging the surrounding areas into darkness. The death toll was catastrophic, with estimates suggesting that as many as 70,000 people may have lost their lives in the immediate aftermath. The effects of the eruption, however, were not limited to Indonesia. The ash cloud spread across the globe, causing a volcanic winter. The year 1816 came to be known as the Year Without a Summer, as temperatures plummeted worldwide. Crops failed, livestock died, and famine ensued. The Tambora eruption was a pivotal moment in our understanding of the Earth's climate system. It demonstrated in no uncertain terms the potential for a large volcanic eruption to affect global climate patterns. To summarize, the Tambora volcano, silent for centuries, erupted in 1815 with a force unparalleled in recorded history. The aftermath was devastating, causing death and destruction in Indonesia and leading to a volcanic winter that resulted in the Year Without a Summer. This event stands as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the intricate balance of our planet's climate system. The story of Mount Tambora is a reminder of our planet's volatile nature, a testament to the power of the elements, and a stark warning for the future. It underlines the importance of understanding and respecting our planet, for who knows when the next sleeping giant might awaken.